today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve a restricted account in Telegram. To know how to fix or how to solve a restricted account in Telegram, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Telegram and you will enter here like this. When you will see this page here, you will go to click for stop. After that, in this page, when you will end this, you will enter to storage. Then when you will end all this, you will click here clear cache. After that, you will go to click manage storage. And after all that, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.